The Quran made a rule that women, she cannot be a witness in any case except borrowing money, and only like in a few cases, like let us say a woman, she gave birth, because men are not allowed to enter the room, so only women, she can witness that this is the child belonged to this woman, the woman who was in the room. In certain few cases, women, she can be witness. And not only that, the Quran put a condition on the women. They have to be approved by men, not any two women. Two women are equal to one in the case of anything have nothing to do with capital punishment, which means you cannot bring two women witnesses for adultery, because adultery in Islam is considered as a capital punishment. Or murder. You cannot bring even 1,000 women for a murder. Even 1,000,000 women. You have to bring two men at least. And if you cannot have two men in the case of borrowing money, then one man at least and two women of those who you approve them. What Muhammad, he want to convince us that women are meant to exist for a purpose of serving the man. They are entertainment. To serve you, cook for you, and sex. Okay. When the man became the society, and the women are not even part of the society, they are accessories. And then this religion who make the women an accessory claim that they are the one who gave women their right. If we go in the Quran, we will find this in the Quran. The Quran is the yellow pages of Muhammad, which is a collection of madness, fairy tale stories, and the sexual appetites for the believers. In chapter 2, verse number 282, it says clearly, if you are going to borrow money from each other, you have to make it record in writing. And you have to bring witnesses. Bring two witnesses to witness what you wrote. And then Muhammad, he says, and if two men be not at hand, then a man and two women, of such as ye approve as witnesses. You see, the man doesn't matter who is he. He do not need to be approved to be a witness. He's a man. But women, you have to approve them, because not all women, they can do that. Very few. And Muhammad in the Quran explained, claiming that Allah told him, so if she one of them deceived, you see the translation, he says earth, or she, you know, this is false translation. In Arabic it says tadil, which means she is deceived, or she is this, you know, she is a deceiver. The other one, she will remind her, don't go there, this is not true. Why the man, he do not, what about the man? Let us say, the Muslim, they will say here, says, oh, it's me, forget. Okay, let us go with this. Why will not need, why the man, he do not need a supporter? Don't men forget too? No, men, they are men, they don't forget. Women forget. Women are stupid in Islam. And this is the condition of women to be a witness in the case of borrowing money. You can go right now and read other Islamic scholars, or all Islamic scholars, you know, don't go about what I say. Read Islamic scholars, what they say about that. What is the review of the women? And actually we can do right now regarding this verse. This is again chapter 2, verse number 282, almost at the end of the chapter 2. Let us go here. And this is Tafsir al-Jalalain. This is the official government website of the Kingdom of Jordan. Okay. Okay. So if two witnesses be not man, then one man and two women bear witnesses, such a witness, as you approve, of the account of their pity and property. I don't know if I'm saying the word correctly. The number of women, because of the fact that if one of the two women errs, forget the testimony, given their lesser attentiveness and accuracy, the other one remembering will remind her about what happened. So that one has forgotten. Okay. The reminder clause is the person for the choice of the two women that they is to say that she may be remind of error. So simply the women is the one highly possibly is going not to be fit to be a woman versus a man as a witness. So in Islamic countries, one woman cannot be a witness if they are not practice Islamic law. Do you understand? Let us say you were there and you saw a man borrowing money from other man, and there's a man there next to you. Let's say you and your brother. Islam will not accept you as a witness because you are just a half witness. Why? Because you have half a brain. If you go and check, and I advise you to do that, check about Muslims and capital punishment witnesses. Now, some of you, they will say, well, like, some countries, they approve women as a witness, but those are not following Sharia law. We are talking about Islam.